It's sunrise here in Malawi. I just let my chickens out to forage. They got plenty of space for it. And I'm going to my favorite place in the morning, which is what we call the Dembo. Really, in the local language, anything that's downhill from where you are is a Dembo. Had to shut the gate back so they don't get out. Just down from my house, kind of at the edge of my property, is the Dembo. I made this down here. It was supposed to be for parking, but it didn't take long for the concrete to start cracking up because things here are not built very well. And then it wasn't safe to park on anymore, so because it's on a hill. This is the Dembo, the valley. Got some banana trees down there, all kinds of stuff. Lemon trees, papaya trees, all sorts of things. But that's where I watch the sunrise, right there, coming up over the city of Mzuzu. I love it. It's my favorite place in the world.